Hello and good morning to all my dear students. My name is Piyush and I am your English teacher. And in the last video, we discussed about the explanation of this particular lesson. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. And in this, we are going to continue with the question answers and possible other worksheets and exercise part that is given in the book. Okay, so let's begin. So the first question here is, what made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? So the print, the answer for this will be the print on the ground, the footprint was exactly the print of a let me again start. The print was exactly the print of a foot, including the toes, heel, and other parts. Okay, the print on the ground was exactly the print of a foot, including the toes, 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 heel, and other parts of foot. This made this made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint. बाकी सारा क्वेश्चन में से I hope it is clear. अगर clear नहीं हुआ तो you can rewind the video and just watch it again. Okay. The next one is, why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? So the answer would be, Robinson was afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees, all from the question, because he misunderstood every bush and tree as a man. Because he misunderstood every bush and tree as a man. Okay, next one is, why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? When Robinson saw the footprint, or you can start with Robinson prayed, P-R-A-Y-E-D, when he saw the footprint because he got scared and wanted protection for himself. Because he got scared and wanted protection for himself. I hope it is clear. Okay, now choose the correct answer. Robinson ran back to his home as fast as he could. Because he was racing? No, he was afraid. Yes. And the third option is needless to mention. Okay, the next is, he could not sleep because there was an animal. No, he thought savages had come from the mainland. Yes. Okay, so let's move to the next part. Yes, why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? It did not look like human footprint. No, it looked smaller than his. Yes, it looked smaller than his. And where was Robinson Crusoe? He was alone on an island. Okay, let's move to the next one. How would you feel if you saw unknown prints outside your front door? So this is all on your own. Basically, I would feel very excited, and or even I would be scared, but I would be excited to know who has come, or basically someone would be standing in my front door, would be known to me. So I would be excited to know who has entered my, who was trying to enter my house. And basically I would not pay much attention to these things, because there are many people in this world and anyone can stand Okay, so if you were alone at home and suddenly someone knocked at your door, what would you do? Now, this is very interesting question. If you ask me, if I were alone at home and suddenly, you know, someone knocked at my door, basically I would try to ask who is it at the door, and or I would not take any pointed thing, but I might take a stick with me just for my own protection. Okay, and basically before opening the door I would be asking who it is at the door, and if I have an access to look out through window, then I would do that only first. Okay, so you can answer your own. This is not necessary to write down, but you can send an audio clip to me with the answers of these two questions. Okay, next one is the words in the sentence are jumbled. Now this is very interesting part, and I am not going to help you out in this. Okay, but one thing I can tell you that the answers are in the book itself, so you can go through the lesson and you can find out if you want help. Okay, the first one has already been given. Robinson was not alone on an island. The second one I'm going to provide you with, the island was inhabited. So in the same way you can continue with the rest of the part. Okay, let's move to the next part. So this is fill in the blanks, and you have to answer. I was frightened. See, the difference between and but. I'll explain that in very simple language and in Hindi as well. And और but में difference क्या होता है? And use होता है दोनों, जब यहाँ पर टर्म्स हैं, दोनों वर्ड्स हैं जो वो लाइकली वर्ड्स हैं, मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेट करते हैं. अब यहाँ पर एक जगह फ्राइटेंड है, डरा हुआ, और एक जगह क्यूरियस है. क्यूरियस मतलब एक्साइटेड. तो डरा हुआ और एक्साइटेड ऐसा हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पर दोनों टर्म्स लाइकली टर्म्स नहीं है. ये हो सकता था आई वॉज फ्राइटेंड एंड वरीड. दोनों लाइकली टर्म्स हैं, दोनों नेगेटिव टर्म्स हैं ये. तो फिर तो यहाँ पर आ जाता एंड, लेकिन यहाँ पर है अभी क्यूरियस. तो क्यूरियस के लिए आंसर क्या आएगा? बट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आई डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द बीच डैश आई वेंट टू बीच went along the water's edge. So I went along the water's edge. I ran as fast as I could. Dash I was frightened because I was frightened. I was very tired, confused. दोनों एक नेगेटिव टर्म को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. थका हुआ भी था और कंफ्यूज भी था, तो और. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. राइट अ स्टोरी ऑन स्ट्रेंज फुटप्रिंट्स. Where do you see the footprints? So you have to write your own story. Okay, I am not going to help you out in this, and I want you to compose your own story, and very interesting stories. Try to make very interesting stories. Okay, and send it to me, this particular part, as I mean, and also send the pics of the work done by you, and the exercise part. Exercise part is also supposed to be done in your notebook along with the question answers. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Use the joining words given below and join the sentences in column A and B. Okay, so you have to use these joining words. And but में आपको difference पता लग गया है. So में आपका conclusive sentence connect होता है. Okay, like the first one is I wrote the letter dash I forgot to post it. लेकिन मैं भूल गया पोस्ट करना. अब यहाँ से अगर आप देखोगे, बर्थडे और बर्थडे ये दोनों आपस में रिलेट हो रहे हैं. ओके, ही वांटेड अ बुक फॉर हिज बर्थडे. अब इसको कैसे आप कनेक्ट करोगे दोनों सेंटेंसेस को? ट्राई थिंकिंग इट आउट. बुक भी चाहिए उसको और फुटबॉल भी चाहिए. सो हम इसको कंबाइन करके एक ही सेंटेंस में बना देंगे. ही वांटेड अ बुक एंड अ फुटबॉल फॉर हिज बर्थडे. Okay, नेक्स्ट देखो, स्कूल बस मिस होना और लेट हो जाना स्कूल का, ये दोनों आपस में है। ही मिस अ स्कूल बस, वो स्कूल बस को उसने मिस किया, सो ही वॉज लेट टू स्कूल, इसीलिए वो स्कूल के लिए लेट हो गया। नेक्स्ट, रेनकोट एंड रेनिंग, both are relating sentences. She wore a raincoat. Why did she wear a raincoat? Because it was raining. So she wore a raincoat because it was raining. Okay, we may go to Shimla, we may go to Darjeeling, we may go to Shimla or Darjeeling. हम या तो शिमला जाएंगे या फिर दार्जिलिंग जाएंगे. Okay, so I hope it is clear. And now the next part is, look at the footprint shown here. This is the footprint of first man on the moon. His name was, it's very common and it's very famous name. And if you don't know, you can just find out the Google and write it down. Neil Armstrong. Okay. I'm not sure about the spelling, but you can search it on internet and you can write the name. Next is, let's create a pyramid. Pyramid पता है क्या होता है सबको? This is the picture of a pyramid. Use the following clues. A two-letter word beginning with B. Beginning with B. The sound B, by, by, or beb, any two words, any two letters. Okay. A three-letter word beginning with C. Cat, cow. Okay. Cop, cup, cut. So you can add on many words. This is a game which we often play in the classroom as well. A four-letter word beginning with D. Deer, dark, doll, dumb. Okay. Deaf. A five-letter word beginning with E. Enemy, eagle. So in the same way you can add on a six-letter word beginning with F. Friend. Okay. Then family. So in the same way you can add on, but try adding different words which apart from the words which I have already mentioned. Okay. So next one is work in pairs. Okay, have a conversation with your partner based on the picture below. You can start as, look at the footprints in the mud. So try adding a different dialogue to these. I mean, after just going through this particular dialogue, just try to add one dialogue of your own. If you were the author of this particular story, what would you write over here? Okay, that is on your own mentality, what you write down, and nothing would be credited for this. So try and write something on your own. So with this we are done with the exercise part and question answers part of this particular lesson. I hope everything is clear. Still you can ask for doubts on my WhatsApp number if you want to ask any. Okay, thank you for watching.